So welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we will learn about how to install Design Builder in your laptop, which is the 148 version. It is 4.5.0.148. So basically this version is known as 48 or 148. So first you have to install the WinRAR file, and then you just have to open it. The password, as I have showed it before in my video, the password is always 1 2 3 and 4. That's it, and just you have to press is okay, and just close it. Check some errors in encrypted files. Okay, so if this error pops up, then you just have to go for your WinRAR file, and then you have to open first of all extract to. Okay, let's just extract to the downloads or desktop. Okay, 7 2 3 4. No files to extract. Okay, there means we can just go right away directly. Just do is break operations, repair. Okay. So this is a corrupted file. That's why we are facing some issues. Okay, do you guys know how to solve this? And let me know down in the comments. I need help for this time.